guys? I'm not dead. I'm still here. I know it's been a minute since I put out a video, so bear with me, I'll explain. And if I look like I'm tired and all out of whack, it's because I am. I'm sure some of you are wondering, where the hell have you been for the last 5 months? And long story short, there's a couple answers to that. One, obviously work has been absolutely insane. The good news is I did get that promotion that I was going after, the senior systems administrator position. I got that job, which I was very grateful for and worked hard to get. And I know there's some of you that are interested in the tech side of my life and what I do for a living. I'm thinking about starting up a second channel to discuss just that, just to talk about the technical side of what I do, kind of what it's like working in IT, how would you get into IT if you wanted to, what my day-to-day job is like, how I got to where I am, etc. And the other problem I've had with getting videos out has been I have been battling a very hard battle with depression and anxiety lately. This past year has been really bad, and it takes a lot of my mental and emotional energy to control it because I'm completely unmedicated. I did start going to therapy a little bit. That I stopped going, honestly, because the therapist that I was talking to, when I told her kind of some of my experiences in life and kind of why that I think I might feel the way that I do and some of the things that I've encountered, she kind of just sat there and smiled. So it's kind of hard for me to talk to somebody that has no idea what I'm talking about. And it's no fault of her. I mean, I would not expect many people to understand what the hell I'm talking about, honestly. You know, like, just basic social interactions for me are really strange. So if you've ever been around me, I know a few of you guys have, if I'm in a group of people, sometimes I gotta separate myself, or I just don't speak a lot. And it's not that I'm disinterested and I don't really have anything to say, or it may even seem that I'm boring, but 90% of the time it's just me trying to focus my thoughts and control my thought process and take my thoughts captive and keep them from going down that dark path. But enough of that. You know, I'm working through that. I'm going to start trying to put out videos. That's one of the reasons why I'm working on this, man. This is going to be my new project. This is going to be something that I focus on, especially when I'm stressed and I just need to get away for a little bit. I finally got the financial stability that I need to really put into this bike and a couple other projects that I want to look at. And I'm not going to go into those right now because that's other stuff that's irrelevant to this. But mostly this bike is going to be a focus for me. So long story short, I decided that now that I've got the new income from this new job, from the promotion, and I've got my own basement now to work on this, that I'm going to redo the bike. I was thinking about selling it, but the more I thought about it, I'm emotionally invested in this bike, not to mention financially invested. I've done a lot of work with it, and I don't want to see it go. I want to see it finished. Even though 10 out of 10, this is going to be a labor of love. There's no way I'm going to make money on this. I'm going to lose money. Hands down. I figured this is going to cost me several $1,000s to complete, at least. Because right now what I'm thinking is new exhaust, new seats, new fairings, new clip-ons, bar ends, levers, headlights, fairings. I think I said fairings. Just going nuts. Just absolutely going nuts. And I've already started the process. And this is where we're at with the process. And it's in shambles right now. I've already pulled out the air box, or the air filter. I had to break the lid for it because this bolt will not come out. It was stripped. Couldn't get it out, so I just broke it off. I'll order a new one after I extract this here. There's the air filter. Absolutely terrible. And the main reason why I wanted to tear it down this much, look at all this powder. This powder is from when it got blasted with that fire extinguisher when the fuse box got caught on fire when it was stolen. I mean, I got my pile of junk parts over here too. I mean, look at the ECU here. Look at this thing. That is absolutely terrible. It's just covered in that powder. So that's why I've had to take the bike down to what it is. And I'm probably going to have to tear it down even further. I mean, I've already got to replace this here, like I said. I may have to end up replacing a bunch of this. By the way, if anybody knows how to clean wiring harnesses, let me know, because I haven't got a damn clue how the proper way to clean those without fucking things up. And this here I've already cleaned up, so I've got this clean. So I'm thinking Dawn dish soap is going to do it for what we need to get it off. And I got a pack of toothbrushes here to kind of get into the little areas. But anyway, guys, that's what I've been up to. That's what I've been dealing with. That's what I've been trying to overcome, and you know, just trying to win at life, man. That's all. Just trying to win at life. So I know I've gotten a few subscribers since the last time I posted a video. I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I'm hoping I can get some more content out soon. I'm really hoping that I can pick this back up and just see where it goes. I mean, there's zero expectations for this channel. And I'm just here, man. Just here. At any rate, you guys have a good week. I love you all. And I hopefully will see you again soon.